Alright, this is for my patrons on Patreon. So what I've got to do is bring the camera a little bit closer, see if I can see if that helps. What this is the what I've now named something called an AOT MOMAS, an OUT MOMAS, which is just an assessment of the models of modern academic science, an AOT MOMAS. And what I got to do real quickly here, because this is only going to be a short video, and it's only going to talk about why we need this thing. Hey Mark, why is this needed? Secondly, why these models? Why these models over here? Nope. Why those models over there? Why these particular ones? These particular ones here. There we go. And why this structure? Namely, why have I got, there we go, why have I got here, what have I got, a subject, what it explains and what process it uses, and then why have I got here, a set of assessments, and why these criteria, that's actually number 5, is why these criteria, why these titles, why these columns, why these criteria, why this structure, and why this organization over here, namely, why are these ones together and those ones together, and why are these ones with this ones, and so I got to explain that. But these are the primary models of modern academic science, and so in a sense we can look at these and say, well, here's what we got for our money. Here's what we got for our money. And here's an assessment of them behind my head. And here's sort of what they do, how good they are. Here's what they say, right? This is what they say about that. This is what they say about that. This is what this one says about that. All right, and this above my head over here is how good it is. Everything down. Does it do it? Is it complete? Is it coherent? Is it consistent? Now, don't look at the details at the moment, except for what the models are, and what they are of, and what they say. Right. So that's the main. And I'm going to talk at first about why this is necessary. Why is it about time that such a thing was done? Why these models, and why this structure, and why these criteria, and in the end why these groupings too? Why are they grouped in these ways? And so that's what I meant. This is just a short, quick video to show that that's what I'm going to do. It's on 4.5 minutes. That should be fine, and this will be a video that everyone who's my patrons should quickly review and see, because that's the first item I need to talk about, first conversation I need to show, the first the first conversation I need to host, and in a way it tells it sort of suggests, oh, well, in that case, here's the kind of people you should be looking to recruit or to bring into the conversation.